Nasigil kaluwag na. Kaluwag na ayun. Asido na.
Azedo first. Good for 2 by Mr. Azedo.
Ikaliwag.
To Calatrava against Togi Panes. To Asoy. Rebound by
Scar dapat. Ikaliwag.
Hidlo. To Haluwag Togi Panes.
Kaya kayo.
Isa niya. Ongyot. Good for 2 by Mr. Ongyot. Pon to Haluwag. Haluwag to bring the ball. Hot clock 15. To Gipanes. Gipanes far. The sharp shooter. Good for 3 by Gipanes. Asoy. To Calatrava gustong bumawi. Good for 3 by Calatrava. Paul to Haluwag to bring the ball. Haluwag. Foul. Wearing jersey number 1, that's Bitas. That's your first personal foul. First team foul by team Ball Hunter.
Hoy, wige, pataplen.
Agaw wige.
Azedo to Gipanes to Haluwag to Pon to Gipanes at Zaksan. Wala, rebound by Asoy long pass to Ongyot to Yaon first. Good for wala. Rebound by Haluwag di big ball. Haluwag ipinasok wala. Rebound by Asoy tingnan bola. Asoy na humaharot. Asoy to Ongyot first. Good for 2 by Mr. Ongyot. Haluwag to Pon to Haluwag. Shot clock 15 to Azedo. Wala to Hedlo. Shot clock 10. Jump ball violation.
Sunoy na kumuli. Upin inipin.
To Calatrava, to Asoy, shot clock 15. Asoy against to Haluwag. Asoy, shot clock 10. To Bitas, good for 2 by Mr. Bitas. Haluwag.
Pagod nyagi. Basa igo.
Ilak buitan.
Reward by Asoy. Represented by Haluwag. Haluwag with the ball. Haluwag to Hedlo to Gipanes first. Good for 2 by Gipanes.
Lover ko. Slow ka?
Calatrava to Ongyot against to Gipanes. To Asoy. Shot clock 15 against to Haluwag. Miscommunication.
O si Ruben. Ano yung mga iro?
Tayo.
Haluwag.
Allergic ako yan.
Haluwag to Hedlo to Gipanes shot clock 15. Gipanes wala. Rebound by Asoy. Na naman. Rebound to Ongyot. Good for 2 by Mr. Ongyot. Time remains 6 minutes. To Haluwag. Haluwag di big the ball. Shot clock 15. To Gipanes. Shot clock 10. Wala. Rebound by Ongyot against to Gipanes. Ongyot against to Azedo. To Bitas na Bitas. Haluwag to Azedo. Azedo dribling the ball. Shot clock 14. To Hedlo o wala.
Na ginabalay na. Okay.
Shot clock 14. To point. To Henlo, wala. Rebound by Calatrava. Calatrava to Ongyot. Ongyot libre-libre, nag-iisa. Good for 2 by Ongyot. Time out! Sokong to Henlo. Henlo to Gipanes. Gipanes to Sokong. Sokong fake. Sokong far from the center line. Good for 2 by Sokong. Asoy to Bitas. To Asoy. Time running 4 minutes. Asoy against to Gipanes. To Sokong. Good for 2 by to Sokong. To Gipanes. Shot clock 15. To Henlo. Henlo to Acedo. Acedo fake. Acedo force. Good for 2 by Mr. Acedo. Calatrava. To Asoy. Asoy. Wala. Rebound by Acedo. Acedo to Sokong. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Calatrava. Calatrava to Asoy. Asoy. Good for 2 by Bitas. Time remaining 3 minutes. Gipanes. Gipanes sa Sokong. Sokong to Pon. Pon. Wala. Rebound by Ongyot. Ongyot. Ongyot dribbling the ball. Ongyot against to Sokong. Ongyot tumas sa gitna. Ongyot nakawala. Ongyot first. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sokong. Sokong to Hinlo. To Acedo. Acedo first. Wala. To Acedo again. Acedo to Pon. Good for 2 by Pon. Pon. To Yaon. Yaon to Asoy. Asoy. Shot clock 15. Almost lost the end though. Intercepted by Acedo. Acedo to Pon. Na naman. Good for 2 by Pon.
Toy ka street ton.
Ano din makanang unyot ko, hindi ko siya kanang unyot ko doy. Mo di taw papalagi mo kulit na.
Ang gako.
Siguro din yan yung papaday.
Shot clock 15. To Ongyot. Ongyot to Yaon. Shot clock 10. Yaon first. Wala. Rebound by Bitas. Wala pa rin. To Bitas na naman. Bitas. That's a foul. Wearing jersey number 4. That's Mr. Pon. That's their first personal foul. First team. Second team foul by team. Ball high. Substitution.
Duha to iso. Gatlo.
So Gipanes. Butangin.
Dagan.
Good for 2 by Ongyot. Time remaining 45 seconds to Sokong. Intercepted by Bitas. To Ongyot. Libreng-libre. Good for 2 by Ongyot.
Duha lagi to lagi.
Ongyot. Time remaining 25 seconds. To Hinlo. Time 20 seconds. Gipanes. Wala. Rebound by Yaon. Time 15 seconds. Tamo shot clock Yaon. Yaon libre layup. Wala pa rin. Time remaining 9 seconds. Time remaining 7 seconds. Tamo shot clock. Time remaining 7 seconds. Time remaining 7 seconds. Tamo shot clock. Time remaining 12 seconds.
Atay ka mas buli.
To Gipanes. That's the end of our first quarter. Wala, airball.
Largo.
Wala. Rebound by Ongyot. Shot clock 15. Ongyot fars. Good for 2 by Ongyot. Wong. Wong. So, number 5. Haluwag. To Acedo. Good for 3 by Acedo.
Walo labaw.
Asoy to intercepted by Wong. To Sokong to Haluwag. Good for 2 by Haluwag. Ongyot. To Tatad. To Carbon fars. Umasa ka pa. Good for 3 by Carbon.
Carbon loading.
Wearing jersey number 82, Ocular. That's your first personal foul. First team foul by
Now.
Patong wising kami ang kad.
Kayo jawa maka.
good for 2. Good. Tatad. Time running 8 minutes to Asoy. Shot clock 15.
Hala.
To Haluwag. Haluwag libig na ball. Haluwag against sa Tatad. Haluwag nakawala. Haluwag layup. Good for 2 by Haluwag. Carbon. To Tatad. Tatad against to Sokong. Sokong to Asoy. To Ongyot. Libre. Good for 2 by Ongyot. Acedo. To Haluwag. Haluwag. To Sokong. Shot clock 15. To Haluwag. Haluwag to Acedo. Acedo fake. Acedo fars. Wala. Rebound by Ocular. Ocular to Tatad. Tatad libig the ball. Tatad.
Largo.
Good for 2 by Ocular.
Ang bae na ni-discarte dito guys.
Wala. Rebound by Ocular. Ocular to Asoy. Asoy. Wala pa rin. To Henlo. Henlo to Sokong.
Carbon loading.
To Carbon. 3 against 2. To Ongyot. Good for 2 by Ongyot.
Carbon Public Market.
Yawa abid. Bae lagi siya na mo ano laki.
Lo.
Good for 2 by Henlo.
Isuga sa buang eh.
Sigo ka nang yung rato.
Shot clock 15. To Carbon. Good for 3 by Carbon. To Sokong fars. Wala.
Sudya po mo.
Good for 3 by Acedo.
Libre.
To Ongyot. Good for 2 by Ongyot.
Gusto ng yawa ay nasa tabanan sa bahala.
Uli.
Na
Bye-bye.
naman ni Ongyot.
Bye. Uy.
Good for 2 by Ongyot. Haluwag. Time running 5 minutes. Nice pass ni Carbon. Carbon. Libreng-libre. Sa Ongyot na naman. Good for 2 by Ongyot.
Pagin gila ko sa. Aliyop to to.
Surrender na naman. Kaskas na maghangin.
Tuplo ka siting.
Surrender. Nice rebound.
Kasi pag to, ML kayo mo.
To Carbon, libre, good for 2 by Carbon. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Dango ka to, no?
Dak yun.
To Sukong.
Mustangog po.
Sukong to Henlo.
Oh, hi.
Wala.
Uy! Uy!
Naman.
Babae mo, babae.
Sign out si Bolhan. Sige panes to luwag. Shot clock 15 to Asido. Stop. Asido.
Oh, no.
Kick violation. Kapangari hambil. Duha sa first half.
Lo.
So Gipanes. Good for 3 by Gipanes.
Nakabayad.
Uy, kuwag lang
To
po.
Tatad to Asoy. Asoy to Ongyot. Good for 2 by Ongyot.
Uy! Bulit.
Buloy.
Uy! Paul lagi to. Paul lagi to. Klaro, bula to.
Olay.
Gipanes wala. Rebound by Ocular. Ocular to Asoy. Asoy. Ocular. To Ongyot. Good for 2 by Ongyot. Ongyot, the scoring machine of ball under time remaining 2 minutes. To Haluwag. To Asido first. Wala na naman. Rebound ni Asoy na put. Asoy to Ongyot. Good for 2 by Ongyot.
Kilata na.
Sa Asido to Henlo. Henlo to Gipanes on the center line. Good for 2 by Henlo. Carbon.
Carbon loade.
Carbon, dribling the ball. Carbon, shot clock 15. To Tata. Tata to Asoy, shot clock 7. Asoy.
Gibino.
1 minute. To Asido. To Haluwag. Haluwag sidestep, wala. To Paul. Black.
Paul, bagid.
Sumbang na ikawas, gusok mo.
Foul number 82. That's Ocular. That's your second personal foul. Second foul by Ball.
Ikaw may manghod. Ikaw masugon. O, di ba? Nakapalag eh. Ginaw mo na. Tangpanganin mo lang eh.
First throw good.
El Kaluwag. Di umano.
Nag-ano, kapag inano, nang-ano.
Putay shoot to ko.
So out of 2, time remaining 47 seconds. To Tatad, shot clock 15. To Ocular. To Asoy.
Yang.
Time remaining 30 seconds.
Dili oro.
To Gipanes, shot clock 15. Gipanes first. Wala, rebound by Ocular. Time remaining 20 seconds. No more shot clock. To Asido. Wala. Time remaining 10 seconds. To Ocular. Wala. Rebound by Asido. Time remaining 5 seconds.
Do.
That's the point.
Talinggis na. So, boss.
Asoy doing the ball. Shot clock 15. Wala.
Nice ka. Nice
Gabi.
one. Pinakubi eh. Kobe. Hello po. Kanang ko. Haluwag na. Haluwag.
To Asido. Wala. Rebound by Asoy.
Wala nang inhas.
Musabay pa siya kabaw nga. Sure na. Delikado ka.
Umaasa. Patay. Steve tayo rin nagtago ang buhok.
Asoy. Asoy to bring the ball. Asoy. Shot clock 15.
Uy.
Wala. Rebound by Asad.
Upaw.
To Haluwag. Haluwag against to Asoy.
Oh, kato.
To Asoy. Shot clock 15.
Basin.
Shot clock 10. To Asoy. At may nakuhang foul. Wearing jersey number 4, that's Pon. That's your first personal foul. Pon. Ay. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Nawaway ni ulit.
Iyay.
Carbon.
Why ka tubig?
Oh, nasa ato gross tambay.
Wa, ka tubig.
Ano to dong? Ulit to.
Patay. Wala sa ating Petroy. Oy, out.
Obi mo Stevie.
Kapit.
Haluwag.
Ala, baki. Lo.
Wala.
Lo. Parasa kayo.
Apote oh.
Puti.
Ato bola, apote. Tao lamang nagkakalami.
Palag.
To Asoy.
Yawa.
To Manubag. Wala. Rebound by Pon.
Lo, dagan yun.
To
Dagan.
Haluwag. Haluwag layup. At may nakuhang foul. Counted. 28. That's Paredes. 28. Sino ba 28? Ha? Linggis?
Yan na yun, tabaw yun.
Ah, gibali lagi nang score lagi.
Balik ang ito, malito itong kote.
Time remaining 6 minutes. Toong yun. To Asoy.
Pag na upaw.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. 3 seconds, 5 seconds. 5 seconds violation.
Satu lang, ano? Ano yun? 3 seconds ka?
5.
5 seconds. Isa ka to.
Wala.
Oy.
Bawi.
To Asoy. Time remaining 5 minutes.
Uy.
Wala ka rin.
Kamang ang upaw eh.
Di mo belamang tak kortes sa mga buwan.
Asoy.
No smog.
At may nakuhang foul.
Ya sawa mo tak kortes.
Wearing jersey number 4. That's Pon. That's your third personal foul. Second team foul by Team Bohol High. Shot clock 14. Good for
Wala ka na
foul. A substitution. Wearing jersey number 6. That's Ongyot. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul by Team Ball Hunter. To Asado.
So to. Yawa to no una sa labay wa toy.
Dali kayo.
Linggis.
Orang lagi dah lagu dia.
To
Dinso
Ongyot.
to no ba?
Abdi ka.
Pitay.
Ongyot. Shot clock 15. To Ongyot. Wala. Rebound by Asado. To Haluwag.
Pakambak.
Ah, bigas.
Rebound by Paredes. Tumanuban.
Kapit.
Good for 2 by Ongyot. To asa do? To haluwag. Haluwag to Henlo. Wala pa rin. Henlo. Good for 2 by Henlo.
Balik. Labaw to. Sayang kayo.
Asoy. Asoy to bring the ball. Asoy. Shot clock 50. Asoy to Ongyot. Ongyot to Asoy. Asoy. At may nakuhang foul. Wearing jersey number 23, that's Wong. That's your first personal foul. Second. Third team foul by team ball high. Shot clock 14.
Tungaw.
Asoy.
Uy.
Gawas.
To Ongyot. Shot clock.
Uy.
Lah,
Puti, oy.
puti mo.
Puti, oy. Puti, out, oy.
Ano?
Puti ba? Oh. Wala pa ako.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 34 seconds.
Laro eh, puti ba? Giwak ni. Wakal.
Klaro kayo video.
Claro, kamera di po. Puti, out.
Oy, trabe.
That's a troubling violation. Substitution. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Murag mga 7:30 to kapin.
Asoy. Asoy to the ball. Asoy. Tolik is wala. Rebound by Wong. Wong to Sokong. Time remaining 2 minutes. To Haluwag. Haluwag to Sokong. Sokong first. Wala. Rebound by Asoy. To Paredes. Wala. Shot clock 15. To Paredes. To Ongyot. May naman. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Acedo. To Sokong. To Henlo. Good for 2. Wala. Rebound by Ongyot.
Largo.
Good for 2 by number 28. To Henlo. Good for 2 by Henlo. Time running 1 minute.
1 minute na.
To Ongyot. Time running 15 seconds. Shot clock 15.
Sambahan ron na na.
Shot clock 10.
Gus.
To Ongyot. Shot clock 5. Good for 2 by Lincoln. Asado. Good for 3 by Asado. Time running 25 seconds.
Patay ka pulog ba?
Time running 20 seconds.
Batya.
Shot clock 15. Time remaining 15 seconds.
Wala na sangit.
Time remaining 10 seconds to Sokong. Time remaining 6 seconds to Ongyot.
Tay.
Yay!
2 seconds. That's the Sokong to Asado. Shot clock 15 to Henlo. Wala. Rebound by Asoy. Asoy dribble the ball. Asoy to Ongyot. Almost lost the handle.
Ba't nila?
Shot clock 18. Shot clock 18. Shot clock 18. Shot clock 18. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10 to Asoy.
Nala.
Pushing foul
Siya nga, wey. Kusog.
by Vitas. Top one. Miscommunication.
Uy, siya ka bay.
Lo.
Good.
Shot clock 15. To Ongyot. To Asoy. To Vitas. Good for 2 by Vitas. Suko. To Henlo. Henlo Fars. Wala. To Ongyot. Ongyot. Sidestep. Good for 2 by Ongyot. Suko.
Wah, bicara. Supir aja.
Sa floater, no?
Uy, gadaguan lang tong duwa mo sa kuan, bukol. Pero naluya lang siya. Shooter kay Chris ha.
Shot clock 15.
Malason.
Shot clock 10.
Lagi dikitan, wala.
Shot clock 4.
Bawas bay. Yes.
Wala. Rebound by Henlo. Henlo to Sukong.
Ilamos ha.
Sukong to Gipanes. Gipanes Fars. Wala. Rebound by Asoy. Na naman. Asoy to Ongyot. Good for 2 by Ongyot. Sukong. To Asado. Asado Fars. O ba siya tuloy? Asoy.
Pusa.
Wala. Rebound by Asoy na naman. Okay.
Patubo sa.
Time out. Sukong. Sukong giving the ball. To Haluwag. Haluwag to Sukong. Shot clock 50. To Haluwag. Haluwag. And discipline na naman by Vitas. Na naman. Ongyot. Nanubra na yung score sa scorebook. Hendo to Asado. To Asoy. Asoy. To Vitas.
Rabil.
Das at traveling violation.
Tikang.
Substitution.
Dini, okay, ni isa mo yung tilapin niya, ni kuan ba?
Bilin dong tumboy to.
Sige pa, time naman ang last 6 minutes. To Haluwag. To Henlo, shot clock 50. To Asado. To Pon. Pon far, shot clock 10. Good for 2 by Pon. Tatad.
Kaya kaya labo to?
Tatad. Shot clock 50. To Calatrava. To Tatad. Shot clock 10. Wala. Rebound by Haluwag.
Balik.
Na naman. Against to Calatrava.
Ineradol kay Lloyd.
Asa, kaya?
To Asoy. Against to Gipanes. Shot clock 50. To Ongyot.
Patay kusog.
Wala. Rebound by Pon. Time in last 1 minutes. To Gipanes. Good for 2 by Gipanes. Asoy. To Tatad. Tatad.
Pila siya dito ano?
Shot clock 15 against to Gipanes.
Remote mo.
To Ongyot. Na naman. Wala. Rebound by Hendo. To Gipanes. To Haluwag. Layup. Good for 2 by Haluwag. Calatrava.
Nay, oras dong.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh,
To Tatad. Shot clock 15. To Calatrava. Calatrava Fars. Wala. Rebound by Pon. Pon against to Haluwag. Haluwag against to Tatad. Haluwag. Time out! Iyaon. To Tatad. Tatad. To Bitas. Shot clock 13.
Hotel lang.
Shot clock 13. Shot clock 13. To Bitas. Good for 2 by Bitas.
Saka.
Haluwag.
Kuan.
Haluwag giving the ball. Haluwag to Gipanes. Shot clock 15. At may nakuha ang foul. Counted. Basket count and foul wearing jersey number 6. That's Tatad. That's your Tatad. Tatad giving the ball. Shot clock 15 to Asoy. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 12. 12 to shoot. To Ongyon. Pwede naman. Last 3 minutes. Miscommunication.
3 minutes.
To Ongyon. Against to
Babaw.
shot clock 15. To Tatad. Tatad fouls from the center line. Wala. Rebound by Hedlo. To Haluwag. Haluwag against to Ongyon. Haluwag nakawala. Haluwag.
Petra.
Rebound by Ongyon. Ongyon against to Paul. Ongyon to Bitas. Good for 2 by Bitas.
Bola. Go. Ilaw.
Gipanes. To Haluwag. To Asa daw shot clock 15. And there's a dead to Yaon.
Hala.
Naman. Haluwag. To Asa daw. Miscommunication. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes.
Last to.
Tatad. Tatad giving the ball. Tatad.
Pikas.
Shot clock 15 to Asoy. To Bitas. Shot clock 10. Black. Shot clock 9.
Isaw ka, Brad.
Shot clock 9. 9 to shoot. Shot clock 9.
Tira John. Paulo.
Wala. Nice pass ni Haluwag. Haluwag against the crowd. Haluwag. Wala.
Oy, gawas.
Good for 2 by Haluwag.
Good to ambak na.
Asoy. To Tatad.
Balik.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. To
Nice John.
good for time remaining last 1 minute.
Bola.
Yeah.
Uy!
At may nakuha ang foul.
Ha? Badim to.
Wearing jersey number 26, that's Asoy. Time remaining last 51 seconds. Asoy. Second. Sila. First.
Panaan.
Yeah. 1 out of 2. Tatad. Last 50 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Shot clock 15. Last 40 seconds.
Nice John.
Shot clock 10. To Ongyon, to Asoy.
Bye-bye.
Time remaining last 30 seconds.
Uy! Wow!
Last 25 seconds. Last 22 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Tunggu sa waktu Asado. Last 15 seconds.
Tris, Bazir.
Last 10 seconds.
Bazir.
Last 5 seconds. That's the end of our game 2.